Bonjour, les étudiants of class 9. Hope you're doing good. So we are meeting after a week, and so today's class will be doing two exercises of lesson 4, the continuation of exercises, exercise 6 and 7, I think. Okay, so not so sure about the number, and so it's actually about future proche and one more exercise. It's one simple exercise with 4 sentences with moi aussi, moi non, and moi non plus. Okay, moi si. So those things, it will be easy. And as you got video classes and teams together, so we'll be going slowly. Okay, 2 exercises video class, and so that you can write your classwork and concentrate on the other subjects as well. Okay, so take care guys, we'll get into the slides. And here, the 6th exercise. Ok, donc 6th exercise will do transformer les phrases au futur proche. So you got to change the sentences to future proche. So as you know, future proche, it's the easiest tense in French. Okay, so you just conjugate the verb aller in present tense, then you add the infinitive form of the verb. Okay, so for example, je vais jouer. Okay, je vais jouer. So that you conjugate the verb aller, je vais, then jouer will be in infinitive form. Jouer, J-O-U-E-R. That's it. Tu vas jouer, il va jouer, elle va jouer, nous allons jouer, and it goes on. So here we got 5 sentences. Il va aux États-Unis. He goes to United States. The second one, après le master's, je cherche un emploi. So after the master degree, after the PG, okay, I look for a job. Nous sortons demain soir. So we are going out tomorrow evening. The last before one, elle finit bientôt son projet. She is going to finish a project soon. And the last one, après le dîner, after dinner, je prends quelques fruits. I take some fruits. So this is the sentences. These sentences are in present tense. Okay, so after the subject you can see the verb, it's conjugated, and they're all in present tense. Okay, we got one irregular. Okay, so TIR ending, IR ending verb. Okay, so ER ending verb, and even the verb prendre. Okay, so voilà. And so now, il va aux États-Unis. Okay, il va aux États-Unis. He goes to United States. He goes to United States, or he is going to United States. So you got to change the sentence to future proche now. So already the verb aller is conjugated. Okay, so but we are still going to conjugate the verb aller in future proche, which means il va aller. Okay, then after va we'll be adding aller, A-L-L-E-R. Okay, this va changes to aller, A-L-L-E-R, and the verb aller, when you're conjugating with future proche for il, so it'll be like il va aller aux États-Unis. He's going to go to United States. Okay, so in English we won't be using that, we won't be saying that. We better say like he is going to leave to United States. He's going to leave to United States. Leave we'll be using, right? Voilà. So il va aller aux États-Unis. So the second sentence, après le master's, je cherche un emploi. Okay, après le master's, je cherche un emploi. So after the master's, I'm looking for a job. So now the verb, it's actually chercher. Okay, je cherche un emploi. Chercher is the verb. So the infinitive form you got to find, it's a CHER, CHER, ER ending verb. So you find the infinitive form, you add the verb aller before that. For je, how will you conjugate? Je vais. Okay, je vais chercher un emploi. Okay, après le master's, je vais chercher un emploi. So after the master's, I'm going to look for a job. The third one, nous sortons demain soir. Nous sortons, so what verb is it? Sortir. Okay, the verb is sortir. Nous sortons demain soir. Nous allons sortir. Nous allons. The verb aller, when conjugated for nous, it's nous allons sortir demain soir. Okay, so we are going to go out tomorrow evening. Okay, we are going to go out tomorrow evening. So the last before one, elle finit bientôt son projet. So she is finishing her project soon. So she is going to finish her project soon. That's how you got to make that. Elle va finir. Okay, elle va finir bientôt son projet. But actually, there is a small change you got to make. The bientôt comes before finir, after the verb aller, before the verb finir. So it will be like elle va bientôt finir son projet. Okay, so she's going to soon finish her project that way. Okay, elle va bientôt finir son projet. So the last one, après le dîner, je prends quelques fruits. After dinner, I take some fruits. Je prends. Okay, prends, it's actually the verb. What verb is it? Infinitive form, prendre. RE ending. Okay, so it's not a regular RE ending. So je prends, right? Changes to je vais prendre. Je vais prendre. Après le dîner, je vais prendre quelques fruits. After the dinner, so I'm going to take some fruits. We hope it's fine. So we'll see the answers now. Here we go. So just the fourth one, careful, the bientôt comes in between the two verbs, aller and finir. So first one, il va aller aux États-Unis. Après le masters, je vais chercher un emploi. Third one, nous allons sortir demain soir. The fourth one, elle va bientôt finir son projet. The last one, après le dîner, je vais prendre quelques fruits. Oui. So here. Now the seventh exercise. So the seventh exercise, if you read the heading carefully, okay, complétez avec moi aussi, moi non plus, moi si. Okay, so the pronoun tonic, okay, moi it's used, which means me. Okay, so moi aussi, the first one they have given it's moi aussi, the second one it's moi non, the third one it's moi non plus, the fourth one it's moi si. Okay, so what is the difference between these four? As you know, moi aussi, we often use it. Moi aussi means me too or me also. When you say like I like Pondicherry, okay, so I'll be saying moi aussi, j'aime Pondicherry. Okay, moi aussi means me too. Okay, you got an affirmative sentence, and I just want to agree, and I'll be saying moi aussi. Okay, so the second one, moi non. Okay, for example, you say j'aime Chennai. Okay, so if you say I like Chennai and I'm not okay, it means I don't like Chennai. Okay, so I'll be saying moi non, je n'aime pas Chennai. Okay, so voilà. Then the third one, moi non plus. For example, you say I don't like Chennai. This time you're saying in negation. Okay, this time you're saying in negation, I don't like Chennai. And so me also, I don't like Chennai. Okay, so when the question is in negation, okay, when the previous sentence it's in negation, and I want to agree with the same, okay, I want to say the same, and I'll be saying me too. Okay, in English it's the same, but in French for negative things we'll be using moi non plus. Okay, so if it's negative and I want to say continue the same, I'll be saying moi non plus, me either. Okay, me either, I don't like Chennai. And so the last one, okay, moi si. Okay, so moi si, it's actually you say like you don't like Chennai. Okay, for example, you don't like Chennai, you say, and me I say moi si, j'aime Chennai. Me yes, I like Chennai. Okay, so there are small things you got to keep in mind. Okay, there is it'll be a bit confusing, but this is the difference between these four, and we just got 4 sentences. Okay, voilà. So we won't be repeating any of these. Okay, so it'll be one will be used for each sentence. So the first sentence, je veux prendre une pizza et toi. Okay, je veux prendre une pizza et toi. I want to take a pizza and you. Okay, so it's not just the question you got to see, even the answer. Okay, you got to check. Je veux prendre une pizza et toi? Okay, dash, je prends une pizza. Okay, the first sentence they say, I'm taking a pizza and you. Okay, in the second sentence the answer gives like, I'm taking a pizza. Okay, which means me also, I'm taking a pizza. Okay, me also, me too, I'm taking a pizza. So in the four options given above, so we got two me too, me also, which is moi aussi and moi non plus, the first and third one, right? Okay, so here you got to check the sentence, it's an affirmation or a negation. Okay, they are an affirmation, so we'll be using moi aussi. Okay, for the first sentence we'll be just using moi aussi. Moi aussi je prends une pizza. Okay, I want to take a pizza and you. So me too, I take a pizza. The second one, je déteste le théâtre. Et toi? Okay, I hate theater. Okay, so I hate the theaters. And you? Dash, j'adore le théâtre. Okay, here it's actually the opposite, the contrary. So je déteste le théâtre et toi? Dash, j'adore le théâtre. Okay, so as I told you, if you say you don't like Chennai and me, I say me, yes, I like Chennai. Okay, so that one will be like moi si. Okay, as you know, C it's also S. Okay, when the question it's a negation. Okay, so if you would like to answer with S, we'll be using C instead of we. Okay, the same way here. Je déteste le théâtre. I don't like theater. And you? Moi si. Okay, me yes, I like theater. Okay, so the second one it's moi si. The fourth one is the answer. Moi si. The third one, il n'aime pas le jazz. Et toi? Okay, il n'aime pas le jazz. Et toi? Okay, so they don't like jazz music. They don't like jazz music. And you? Okay, so here the answer is je préfère le pop. I prefer pop, which means the person who is answering, he doesn't like jazz either, right? So we'll be saying moi non plus. Okay, the question it's in negation something and you agree with that. Me too, I don't like jazz music, I prefer pop. So we'll be saying moi non plus. The third one will be the answer for the third one. Moi non plus. So the last one, elle parle français et toi? She speaks French. What about you? Je ne parle pas français. Okay, so they're saying she speaks French. And you? Okay, me no. I don't speak French. Okay, we'll be saying me no. Okay, me I don't. Okay, me not. Okay, so moi non. Okay, moi non, je ne parle pas français. The second one will be the answer for the last one. So you can check the answers now. X. Voilà. Je veux prendre une pizza. Et toi? Moi aussi, je prends une pizza. Je déteste le théâtre. Et toi? Moi aussi, j'adore le théâtre. Third one, il n'aime pas le jazz. Et toi? Moi non plus, je préfère le pop. The last one, elle parle français. Et toi? Moi non, je ne parle pas français. Oui. So guys, that's it. Okay, so please copy these two exercises. As we know, like you got the video classes and also the Teams classes. Okay, so we are going slowly. Okay, 2 exercises a day. So try to cope up with the other classes even. Okay, try to keep up the classwork, everything. Okay, so ciao guys, all the best.